At the CRM team, we co-create solutions that move with our clients. With Air Products, our approach was hands-on, collaborative, and deeply aligned to their goals from day one. We kicked off with a high-impact envisioning phase, a week of in-person workshops with their sales managers to unpack how each unit operates and ensure that the system would truly support their day-to-day realities. From there, we moved into the design and build phase. We use Agile project management to make sure that if things shift, which they always do, we are ready for it, and by the next demo we'll have the feedback incorporated where possible. Building a new system is always a challenge because you're asking time from people for this project, the demos, the testing, but these people already have full-time roles. Luckily, everyone understood why the system implementation was important and why they need to test and provide us feedback. And we also showed them the impact of their testing and how it changes the way that we develop the system, which helps build that feedback loop. User adoption was a big focus. It's a very important part of bringing a new system into a company. The amazing team at Air Products invested a lot of effort to get their people ready and excited for this change by hosting events, handing out swag like adorable customized cookies, and sharing the knowledge internally about what the system means for the team. We made sure that their adoption efforts were then supported with the training that we did for the team, the hands-on support that we gave them after the system was implemented, and making sure that we tweaked the system to meet their daily needs. What made this implementation thrive wasn't just the tech, it was trust. Air Products treated us like a part of their team, and that made all the difference. We brought structure, CRM expertise, and agile delivery, but also empathy, knowing that this change is hard and people need support to make it stick. This project is a testament to what happens when clients don't just see us as a vendor, but as a long-term partner. And we love working with teams like Air Products who bring that same energy to the table.